Extraction, distillation, resin distillation, solvent recovery. Conventionally, each of these is a separate machine, a separate line, a separate footprint. We engineered a different answer, integrating all four processes into one continuous plant, sharing a single steam, vacuum, and condensing circuit. From raw botanical charge to finished aromatic extract, every process stage built into one stainless steel system. Designed, fabricated, and assembled end-to-end by Dünder Machine. Our 1,000-liter extractor, fabricated in 3mm stainless steel, performs both extraction and distillation. An internal heating coil and a reducer-geared mixer deliver uniform heat transfer across the entire charge. A bottom basket and a hydraulically actuated bottom closure allow rapid discharge of the spent material, while full external insulation minimizes heat loss. Two processes in a single vessel, reducing both footprint and cycle time. Next, the distiller, the most process-critical stage. The first evaporation occurs here, recovering the bulk of the solvent for reuse. An internal steam heating element raises the temperature gradually and under control, so the solvent volatilizes while the heat-sensitive aromatics stay intact. Temperature and pressure gauges keep the operator in command, while sight and inspection glasses give direct visual control. The fully insulated body conserves thermal energy, and through the condenser, the recovered solvent returns to the circuit, a closed loop with virtually no loss. The resin distillation unit is engineered for high viscosity, resinous botanicals such as frankincense and myrrh. Its conical geometry drives the dense resin toward a DN150 discharge valve for clean, complete evacuation. A reducer-geared mixer keeps the viscous mass in continuous motion, while jacketed steam heating and full insulation hold the process stable and energy efficient. Resins that overwhelm conventional systems are processed here without issue. The recovered solvent is collected in the main alcohol tanks and recirculated, a closed loop with zero waste. The final processing stage is the evaporator. Full concentration is achieved under vacuum, at low temperature, protecting the most heat-sensitive aromatic fractions. A complete plant is more than its main vessels. A dedicated condenser for each unit, a vacuum pump rated at 15 cubic meters per hour, a vacuum catch trap, the alcohol transfer pump, the settling tanks, and the resin separation vessels. Together, they complete the process. Steam, vacuum, alcohol, and water run through DN25 stainless steel lines, end to end, from raw botanical to pure aromatic extract, engineered as one plant. Dünder Machine.